fellas, how are you today? Are you okay? I really hope so. Today we are going to explore the MSF Venom in the specific way the VBA, the Visual Basic for Application, and we're gonna to create the script code, the payload script to insert into the Excel and get the reverse TCP shell. Okay, so let's work MSF Vino. Let's explore the windows. x64 Meterpreter reverse TCP lhost. It's your machine. If you have the public IP and the port configuration on your router, you can explore the world. Okay, I'm using the local machine, so I'm going to explore my local IP address. And in my case, the virtual box with the Kelly, it's that one. And the L port, I'm using the 4444 -F and the VBA, the Visual Basic for Application exploit. Enter. It's gonna give us the script. We need to copy it to here. To here. We copy it. Now we're gonna create on the Windows on the Excel. Let's create the test, and in the view we go to macros where we can insert the script, in that case the payload. Let's make a name doc, create. We'll open this, then we save. Let's save with the Excel, that one, and we're gonna save it to this folder. Let's call it book, and we close it. Save it, the test. There's it. Let's open another terminal, MSF console, to open the exploit. There's it, and use the multi-handler and use multi-handler. Set the payload, the Windows. We're gonna use the payload we insert on the MSF Vino, Meterpreter, the reverse TCP. Options. lhost is the target. We can attack a specific IP or input the 0 to receive the reverse shell from the all IP targets. So let's set the lhost 0000. There is it. It's configured. Now we just run exploit. It started its listing way, waiting for the access. Now I'm gonna open it, enable, and inside here we have the shell. We are inside, and if I close we lost the shell. Sessions, no sessions. And if I open it again, no sessions, exploit. And we have again, but if we close the Excel, we lost the shell. So if we don't want that happens. So there is the PS, we have a bunch of execution program running on the Windows, okay? So I can choose some of them to migrate the payload. Let's try the PPID4. We use the migrate 4. It's failed. Denied. Migrate. Let's try the 824. It's oh, it's the PID I need to use. Now the migration has been completed, and the Excel it's already closed, and we have the shell yet. There's it. You can pass the shell to access like the Windows. Ctrl Z, yes. Ctrl Z, yes. And sessions. We have one session opened, sessions -I2, and we access again. So, what else we can do? Let's take a look to the virus total. Let's see how many antivirus can watch the reverse shell. There is a bunch of antivirus who can detect the script, because this payload is kind of old, but we have 63 antivirus and just 39 antivirus have been detected the script, and the another ones no. So if you are using some of that antivirus, probably you can be on target of a malicious hacker. Okay, so there is it, fellas. I hope you have enjoyed. If you like, thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. That's all for now.